ke Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada Naksionong Maubri Riboy District kepada perlong Sisin Citayo ha ke sisa janya Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kedon bunjait kirukom hikai ha ke liang ke tem keput bat karwai ke siau keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasih instruments bat kasih vocal kikena akibat news nam senang kila banwan pentebit ha ke music school bat om dan jinge nak mentai ke larang baru banwan pentebit ha ke music school ka arpoi terik jong ubanai yong gade ke singkrapang jong kinong tri babu sahab ki wajudip kum ki Indian Administrative Service lane ki IAS ya ketika jing rakhe lapan long ha Pinewood Hotel Shillong bat ka phang padeng jong ketika jing kendu jong ka National Service Day mentak snem ketika Viksit Bharat ka bertemu ban penkub bor ya kinong shenong bat ban poi syau momer bakhadu na galiang jong Chief Secretary ke Jelau ba DP Walang ulong ba kini ki snem ki balai no ke kam Civil Services kedik Malaysia kan tho bha bat glade ke por ban phaidin bat ya bishar bali ba kini ke kerdan Malaysia pan tho bria bat bali ba ke jemut jong ke Civil Service Malaysia budak jingkeli na ke por sya ke por u Chief Secretary jong Jelau la keren ru halor ke jingye dei hapdeng ki officer bat ki pajba bat ru hapdeng ki officer bat ki menteri sarkar hak baula benrap ru da gebong ba kilong ki peden bok palat ban yo trai hapok ke jela kum ke jela Meghalaya namar ki menteri sarkar hapok ke jela Meghalaya ki khamper na ki wipat ki jela jong gari hak ba bunsin la jui ek jing shrut apdeng jong ki menteri sarkar bat ki officer.
Now if you look at the theme of Viksit Bharat, it is a very relevant theme in this year's civil service function, and I'm sure that all of us it resonates very well with many of us. We are all aware of the fact that we are very, very lucky to work in a state like Meghalaya. We are lucky because the political executive over here, they are totally different from the rest of the country. We have a Chief Minister who's very friendly with the bureaucrats, who's very helpful all the time. At the same time, it's like an iron fist in a velvet glove. We are lucky because more than anything, he has his heart in the right place. That is why we are all very fortunate to be working in this environment where we have seldom come across and seldom seen any conflict between the political executive and the bureaucracy.